Welcome to this video on the rewarding career of speech-language pathology, where we explore the vital role of communication architects. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Paths series. Chapter 1. The Human Impact. We look at why this field is so essential to our daily lives. Speech-language pathologists do more than teach skills. They foster connection, unlock hidden potential, and advocate for those who need a voice. An SLP is a licensed clinician who acts as a diagnostician, an evidence-based practitioner, and a dedicated lifelong advocate for their patients. The scope of practice is broad, covering articulation, language development, voice and fluency, as well as complex swallowing and feeding disorders. Chapter 2. The Academic Journey. Let's see what it takes to become a professional in this field. It starts with undergraduate studies, where students build a foundation in anatomy, phonetics, and human development. A Master of Science degree is the minimum requirement, integrating core scientific knowledge with intensive hands-on clinical practice. Clinical training is rigorous, requiring at least 375 hours of supervised practice to ensure students are ready for the real world. The final transition is the 9-month clinical fellowship, moving the graduate from a supervised student to an independent practitioner. Professional certification requires passing the National Praxis Exam, earning the CCC-SLP credential, and meeting state-specific licensing standards. Chapter 3. The Daily Reality. Where do these professionals work? SLPs enjoy a world of settings, from hospitals and rehabilitation centers to schools, private practices, and home health services. The diagnostic process is systematic, involving intake, standardized testing, and collaborative observation to understand the underlying causes of communication challenges. Effective therapy is an art, combining individualized planning, consistent evidence-based implementation, and data-driven adjustments to achieve patient milestones. Building rapport is essential. Beyond clinical skills, the therapeutic alliance, built on trust and empathy, is what makes therapy truly transformative. Early identification is the best predictor of success. SLPs must recognize development milestones and act quickly when concerns arise. Syntax and grammar delays can affect a child's ability to express complex thoughts. SLPs target these structures to help them succeed. Pragmatic language involves the social rules of communication, a key area of practice for children with autism and communication disorders. Stuttering affects about 1% of the population. Early intervention is vital for managing physical tension and improving long-term outcomes. Oral language is the foundation of literacy. SLPs play a crucial role in developing phonological awareness and narrative competence. Chapter 4. Careers and Outlook. What does the professional landscape look like for speech-language pathologists? SLPs are employed in diverse settings, ranging from schools and hospitals to research institutes, allowing for flexible career paths. Compensation varies by setting and geography. Professionals can optimize their income through specialized roles or by entering private practice. The job outlook is bright, with above-average growth projected due to an aging population and increasing demand in schools. Choosing this path offers unique rewards, from the flexibility of travel contracts to the profound impact of helping others. For those interested in research, the field offers opportunities to shape future evidence-based protocols and collaborate on interdisciplinary teams. Navigating the job market can be challenging, as standard tracking systems often struggle to capture the relational nuance of clinical work. New strategies, such as skills-forward resumes and AI-driven platforms, are helping professionals better articulate their unique clinical value. The field is evolving, with telepractice and a focus on neuro-inclusion. Stay curious and continue advocating for the potential in every voice.